Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizky Barok, and I'm from group 2. We're now making a video for group activities. Speaking for group activities. I'm the group 2. It's gonna tell you about the the contractive of studying, learning with internet. Because I'm the contra, I have some negative things with the internet study. Before that, I'm gonna give you my group mates name. I'm Muhammad Rizky Barok, and there is Ade Imam Tantowi, Diana Puji Lestari Anti, Siti Hajar Sawakil, and the last is Muhammad Abiyu. So for the contra of studying with the internet, some point I got in this letter. So some point is about the health mentality, like being anxious the first time, being anxious, becoming narcissistic, and some of them uh, becoming material things, material stuff like the internet, the technology, and yeah, maybe etc. Because when you say internet learning studies in Indonesia, there's some point you can say Indonesia is not ready yet to do that because some of them still average poor, and then the connectivity and the material things like I said, like technology. Maybe some of them can have a phone or laptop. And the second, maybe it's becoming like signals of internet. Signals of internet is becoming a thing because when you're with uh, technology with the internet, you must have a provider to provide your internet learning study. If you don't have signals of internet, you can be lost. You can be do anything with your study. And then when I said the health mentality, uh, in my letter is becoming a thing too because health mentality is becoming one serious problem with the technology. Like the examples is excessive internet usage can affect studies and make them less motivated to get involved with their studies. So there's a thing with the internet, with the technology, they becoming less motivated with their study. And then in the point of mine, the student who use digital technology excessively are less motivated to engage with their studies and more anxious about exam tests. They're becoming a worry with what they studying for. So there's a thing, and then for the health of the body and the mental of health, use the technology can also have negative repercussion on physical health, causing vision problems with eyes and hearing loss because too much hearing with the earphone. And last, becoming a neck strain because maybe it's like you do this more like hard hour or 2 hour of studies. Yeah, and maybe just like that of my point. Uh, yeah, maybe it's the end of my point. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1 and we would like to introduce our group. And me for the speaker, Rezi Zulia, and we have 4 other members, name Ali Atifa, Dian Anggi, Isfan Amrullah, and Nasihatul Ihram. And we would like to tell or give an opinion about using internet during studying program. In the role of internet media is increasing rapidly from time to time. The internet opens up access to finding sources of information anywhere. And I would like to tell you about that internet is not to, if you say internet is not good for your health, maybe I could say that internet not we're not always using it, and we're using for something important like sharing in a class for a material, and it's not always in all the time in our day. So if you think internet doesn't good enough for our health, I think it's not true. Not really true. And but it depends on us too to manage our time so we can have a good time for when we have to face in internet at the classroom. We have a schedule, so it's not in a day we have to just read in the internet. And about the material of the learning education, such as signal, the cell phone, and from your maybe our economic too. I think from signal, if we sometimes we can lose in learning from the classroom, maybe we can join with our friends to that have the Wi-Fi, so we can learn in internet everywhere. And from the cell phone, maybe if your sister or brother have a laptop, you can use it or borrow the laptop. So it's not too difficult to face to face in internet. And from the economic, I think the government has given us, even though not all the people or students in Indonesia has that free. So use the internet for good for you. And I would like to give an opinion about that. The use of internet today can be separated from the field of education as multifunction medium, where it's faced with unique characteristics, namely as interpersonal and mass media, interactive, allows synchronous and synchronous communication, and the effort of maximize the benefit of the internet as a medium of education should be done. You must and you must. Moreover, the aim is to improve the quality of education as well as the quality of education, educators, and students. Collaboration between teachers, lecturers, experts, and also students who are physically far apart can be done more easily. In the past, one had to wander or walk along distances to meet a professor to discuss a problem. Currently, this can be done from home by using email or chat. Papers and research can be done by exchanging data via the internet, email, or by using the file sharing mechanism. And the internet technology supports students who have limited space and time to continue enjoying their education. Talk and talk methods can be modified in the form of communication via email, mailing lists, and chatting. And we have some of benefit of using internet information technology, like the flow of information continues. It's to flow at any time without limitation of time and place. So you can searching or learning from everywhere or every place or with everyone. And ease of getting complete resources. And the next is increase student learning activities and carrying capacities increases. And the last is there is a standardization of learning. You can improve learning outcomes, both quantity and quality too. The providing online study materials is not enough. An instructional design is needed as a learning model that invites a number, as many as activities in the classroom. The students to be involved in various learning activities. One thing to remember is how web technology can help the learning process. For this purpose, learning materials need to be packaged differently with differently delivery. I think that's enough, and it's from Group 1. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Manullah. I'm the editor from Group 1. There is a video, there is debate session from Group 1 with Group 2. Click like if you like this video, click dislike if you dislike video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.